Have a nice day to all. I will tell you today on my video how to check a inductor. So let's check out your digital and analog multimeter. So multimeter puts out the range of ohms this way. Put the probes these two in the inductor. So you can see some less ohms. So the multimeter transfer the pins, but see this way. In the same way when digital multimeter. You can see. Let's examine this inductor. So this contains two coils. One coil is this pin. The other coil is these two pins. So you can see some ohms value. And let's see this way. And it looks like the ohms. Ohms value increases when the turn of coil grows. Scramble coil is unsuitable for use. If there are less turns, it shows the low ohms. If the ohms value of more than the number of turns is defective. Have a nice day. We will see the next video. Thank you all.